guys, welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. Today I'm making quick rum cake cupcakes. So this is 2 cups flour and I'm adding in 2 teaspoons baking powder, about 1/4 teaspoon freshly grated nutmeg. This is just something quick and zoops in together. So if you want to follow this recipe, go ahead. I'll save this. About 3/4 teaspoon salt. This is my brown sugar, and this is 3/4 cups. Rum cake cupcake will be so easy. Guys, this sugar was hard, so you know what, I had a slice of bread. Did you know that if your brown sugar becomes hard, you could just add a piece of bread inside and it softens up the sugar? So that's what I did. So if you see a little bit of crumbs, that's the bread. It's not gonna affect the taste of the mixture of my cupcakes. So this is 3/4 cup brown sugar with 1 cup melted butter. So this is some quick cupcake, so that my rascals can have something to snack on. Yep. Now 2 eggs. 1, 2. 1 tablespoon guava jam. Teaspoon vanilla. All my liquid. So half of my flour. So here's my blended fruits. This is 1.5 cups. I'm not sure. I'll add a full 1.5 cups. I want it to be fruity, real fruity. Now for the remainder of my flour. This is lime juice, around 2 teaspoons lime juice. And my browning, 1.5 tablespoons. I'll also add some raisins. Even though I had the blended fruits, I still want to add, when you bite in it, you can taste the raisins. Some quick rum cake cupcakes. Nettie's Amazing House. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House.
Don't like you.
Usually I'll be wearing my gloves, but because my hand is not really touching any part of the food, the baking, I'm just not wearing a glove today. So here's my mixture. Smell it, rum fruit Wow. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. You see those raisins? And I did stew my raisins, guys. You want to see how I stew my raisin? Check out my stew, quick and easy way to soak fruits. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. I love to use the foil cups, because I'm always brushing rum cakes with wine after it's finished baked. So to prevent it from leaking out at the bottom, I'll use the foil cupcakes cup. So guys, this is an easy, quick rum cake cupcake recipe. Quick and easy. Here's my steaming pan. Hope you can see it under the bottom with water. That's my steaming pan. Always steams my cupcake or my rum cakes. And it's at 325. And I'll be baking this for about 25 to 30 minutes. Here they are, guys. Delicious. I'll give it about 5 minutes. Then I'll brush with my red wine. Brushing my cakes with some wine.